What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm basically just going to share with you guys what I am eating today. Right now it's already 11:28. I haven't had breakfast or lunch or whatever, but I've been hungry. But still, I wasn't ready to get up from bed and then make something. But right now, I'm about to microwave something for myself to eat. So I found out that I still have some leftover rice in the fridge, and that's what I'm going to be eating right now. I'm heating it up now and I'm boiling some eggs. Stay tuned and enjoy this video.
I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take your night, but thinking it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know.
Real life with me, guys. I didn't have to put it in plate. This is good. So guys, this is my first meal for the day. Rice. So the rice is green because my sister made fried rice some days ago, and the rice was more than the veggies she had available. That's why the rice is green. And then I used some of the sauce, the stew that I made. And I bought some eggs. Who is this one? I don't say it's not a good meal. So Nigerian baby, I
you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change. I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take your night, but thinking it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change.
This is delicious. This is enough snack for the day. What's up, guys? So right now it's past 3, and I remember I said I was gonna have lunch around 3. I still feel a little bit full from the smoothies I had, so I'm just gonna extend my lunch time to like probably 4. Yeah, so if you're still there, keep enjoying this video, and my G for life, continue enjoying this vlog. Yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. Subscribe for more. Hey guys, so I was trying to take a nap until some people woke me up, and now I better get my food.
I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take your night, but thinking it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change. I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. right. And I move and yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, but taking is all that I'll do, cause yeah. I let you.
So guys, I quickly want to chip this in. I feel like it's something I should share with everyone. So yesterday in church, it was a great service. It was a service filled with vibes, you know. I really had fun in church yesterday, and I believe that I should tell you guys this message. So I know there are lots of things going on in our lives, there are lots of things causing distractions in our lives. There are lots of things weighing us down. But have you ever for once thought that, okay, my life is better than somebody else's life? Have you? If not, think about it. I have a car, I have shelter, I have a roof over my head. There are some people out there, they don't have cars and they don't have any shelter. Don't lose you. She keeps sneezing and getting in my video. But okay, so basically what I'm trying to drive at is every time you think of, oh, I wish I could get this, do not complain, but instead say thank you, Jesus. That's all I want to say. Thank you, Jesus. It's very, very important and it goes a long way. Be appreciative of the little things that you have. Do not complain. Complaining is just going to complicate things more. Hey, if you're still watching this video, thanks for staying tuned to the end. I love you guys. I'm glad I was able to record this video because it's been a long time coming. I've always wanted to do what I eat in a day and I finally get to do it. I hope you like it as much as I enjoyed recording this vlog. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Subscribe right now. And to my own subscribers, you know I love you. Remain blessed in God. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Love you.